Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change text font style in Microsoft Word app. So Microsoft Word, there are mobile version right now. Of course, if you don't have one, you can go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Microsoft Word Edit Documents. Here we go. Now you can install, or if you already had, please update it. And if this is your first time, please create a Microsoft account first in order to use all the service of Microsoft uh, Word. So here, let's get started by tab 1 of your document. And in order to change the font style, you can block the text that you want to change the style. And here you can tap edit or pencil icon, and there is an arrow here. Please tap it, and here there is Times New Roman by default, and in order to change it, just tap the Times New Roman. Here you can change into the Gothic one or the another free. You don't have to download. If there is a cloud with the arrow down icon, it means you have to download it. And like Aptos here, this is you don't have to download it. And other font like Amasis MT Pro Medium. Let's get the random way like Bradley Hand, Britannic Bold. You need to download it first in order to use it into your Microsoft Word. And of course, not only the style, not only the font style, you can also resize by tap this 12 number. So this is the font size that you can adjust. Minimum is the 8, maximum is the 72. C4, there is some other option that you can try, that you can learn one by one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.